2003 Nissan Pathfinder 3.5. Customer concern is the fuel gauge not working. It shows just about empty. We can't really verify the actual level because we don't know how much is in the tank, but a code scan shows us that we have active codes for fuel level sensor, fuel tank temperature sensor, as well as history codes for that. We're not concerned about the catalytic converter codes. It's not what we're here for. Quick look at live data shows us our fuel level sensor is at about 3 volts. Doesn't mean a whole lot to us, but we're gonna check it. But the interesting thing is the fuel tank temp sensor shows minus 47 degrees, which it definitely isn't. So there seems to be something going on, probably a wiring issue. A look at our wiring diagram shows us that the fuel tank temp sensor and the fuel level sensor both have a shared common ground. So my guess is there's an issue going on here. We're gonna go check the ground at the fuel pump. Checking our sensor ground at the fuel pump control unit assembly, we can see that we have about 9 millivolts, which is definitely good. And when we try to load test that wire by running power from the fuel pump to the sensor ground through a test light, control this with the scanner on, you can see that we light up the light. It means the load is good. Off. Ground is 100% good. We're gonna check our signal wires. So now measuring our sensor wires, we have about 4.85 volts on the fuel tank temp sensor. That's nearly open circuit. And on our level sensor, we got about 2 volts. So we're gonna try that with those unplugged and see what we have. So now with it unplugged, we have about system voltage on our level sensor and the same 4.8 on our temperature sensor. So we're gonna try putting a resistor in line and see if our level sensor signal at the cluster changes. Customer actually had a spare pump here, so with that pump plugged in and that sitting there, we actually have a working fuel gauge. So that's going to be the problem. It needs a fuel pump. I don't know what's going on with the one that the customer has, but we're going to put a pump in it.